Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, future lords and ladies of Westeros. In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings 3: A Game of Thrones, a fantastic total conversion mod. To begin, you'll need Crusader Kings 3 installed on your computer. Then, download the Agot mod from a trusted community site, like the Steam Workshop or Paradox forums. This mod completely transforms the game, immersing you in the rich, detailed world of Westeros, where you can forge your own dynasty's legend. Once the mod is installed, your first major decision is choosing your starting character. You can select from hundreds of lords and ladies across Westeros, from the mighty Starks in the north to the cunning Lannisters in the west. Pay close attention to your character's 5 core attributes: diplomacy, martial, stewardship, intrigue, and learning, as these will dictate your strengths and weaknesses. Your starting location and realm size will also heavily influence your initial objectives and challenges. As a ruler, you'll spend much of your time managing your domain. This involves appointing capable council members and keeping your powerful vassals happy to prevent factions and rebellions. Diplomacy is crucial for forging alliances through marriages and non-aggression pacts, or for declaring war to seize new territories. Don't forget the intrigue system. You can scheme to abduct rivals, uncover their secrets, or even arrange for their untimely demise, all from the shadows. Ultimately, Crusader Kings 3 is about your dynasty's legacy. Plan carefully for succession by educating your heirs and arranging strategic marriages to secure powerful alliances. Your goal is to expand your dynasty's influence, perhaps by acquiring new titles, spreading your family members into key positions, or even establishing a new imperial dynasty. Whether you aim to unite the 7 kingdoms under your banner or simply ensure your house endures for centuries, your choices shape history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.